Do you know how to set clear and measurable business goals? Today, we explore how to create effective goals that align with your business mission and vision, setting your enterprise on the path to success. Firstly, we have the vision and mission. The vision is your long-term aspiration, the place you see your business in the future. On the other hand, the mission is the fundamental purpose of your business, the core values it upholds, and the value it aims to provide to its stakeholders. Next, we look at short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals span a few months to a year and are crucial for immediate decision-making and progress evaluation. Long-term goals, however, cover a few years and align with your vision, providing a roadmap for future growth. Now, let's delve into specificity and clarity. Each goal should be specific and clear, answering the key questions of what, why, who, where, and when. Avoid ambiguity at all costs. Measurability is another important aspect. Goals should be quantifiable, allowing you to measure progress and success. Assign numerical values or specific metrics to assess achievement. Relevance is also key. Your goals should align with your business's mission, vision, and overall strategy. They should contribute directly to the success and growth of the organization. And of course, goals should be time-bound. Set deadlines or timeframes for achieving each goal. This adds urgency and helps in managing resources and efforts efficiently. For instance, your goal could be to achieve a 20% increase in revenue by the end of the fiscal year. Or perhaps you aim to enter 2 new international markets within the next 24 months. Maybe you want to achieve a customer satisfaction rating of 90% or higher in the next quarter. These are all examples of clear, measurable, and time-bound goals. Finally, regularly review your progress toward these goals and objectives. Adjust them as needed based on changing circumstances, market dynamics, or shifts in your business strategy. So, there you have it. Setting clear and measurable business goals is a fundamental step in charting a successful journey for your enterprise. It provides a sense of direction, aligns efforts, motivates your team, and ensures that everyone is working towards a common vision of success. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start planning today. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to your business success.